Good day, everyone. It's Valentine's Day this coming Tuesday, and you know what that means? Love is in the air. But wait a minute. Is that really love that we are feeling, or just the pressure to conform to what society tells us love should look like? Let's be honest. Valentine's Day has become so commercialized. Everywhere we look, we are bombarded with messages telling us that we need to buy chocolates, flowers, jewelry, and more just to show someone that we love them. No wonder people are feeling the financial squeeze. Now I know what you're thinking. Here comes another Valentine's Day speech. But hold on. This one's going to be a little different. You see, I personally don't want to celebrate Valentine's Day like everyone else does. Or like you. I mean, have you seen the prices of flowers and chocolates lately? It's like we're being forced to spend all our hard earned money just to prove our love. But let's take a step back and look at what love is from this perspective. You know, the Apostle Paul wrote in First Corinthians chapter 13, verses 4 to 7. He said that love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. You see, love isn't about buying the biggest bouquet or the most expensive dinner. It's about being there for the person you love, supporting them, and putting their needs before your own. So, let's celebrate love in a way that is practical and meaningful. Spend time together, cook a meal together, go for a walk, have a movie night, or write each other love letters. These small gestures can have a big impact and they won't break the bank. But you don't need to do this during this Valentine's Day. Pwede bisag unsa nga adlaw. And if you're still feeling the pressure to celebrate Valentine's Day in a more traditional way, just remember this quote: love doesn't have a price tag. But some restaurants sure try to make it seem like it does. Now here's the serious part. Serious. Did you know about Nice One Silogan? It is your friendly neighborhood Silogan. They're open for business on Valentine's Day. So instead of spending a fortune at a fancy restaurant, come on over to Nice One Silugan. They will serve you some of the best food you've ever tasted. And you'll be able to save enough money to take your loved one on a real vacation later this year. Hmm. So let's celebrate love in a practical and affordable way this Valentine's Day. Pero di lagi need nga sa Valentine's Day, okay? And more importantly, let's remember the true meaning of love based on First Corinthians chapter 13. Okay?